24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Math is everywhere. Math is really important in our life. It plays a major role in a child's cognitive development. Children from the age of 1 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, exploring patterns and shapes, comparing sizes, counting objects, analyzing and solving problems. Introduction of number 4. Tell the children that today they will recognize number 4, its value, and trace number 4 with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following number song with children.
You are number 4. Let's count things outdoors. 4 butterflies, 4 trees, 4 birds, 4 bees. You are number 4. Let's count things outdoors. 4 flowers, 4 ducks, 4 signs, 4 trucks. You are number 4. Let's count things outdoors.
Recognition of number 4 and its value. Write number 4 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 4. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say 4 ducks. 4 ducks. 4 ducks. 4 ducks. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Play a number game with children. Ask them to follow the instructions. Clap 4 times. Snap 4 times. Jump 4 times. Tap 4 times, etc. Formation of number 4. Write number 4 on the board and give instructions. Start from the red point, draw a line down to the middle, then draw a straight line across, then go up to the top and do a straight line down. Start from the red point, draw a line down to the middle, then draw a straight line across, then go up to the top and do a straight line down. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color and match objects with number 4. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 4 with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace number 4 in the air, or on their desks, or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board. And ask children to recognize 4. Reinforcement worksheet of number 4 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.